there is a relation between mean, median and mode. What is the relationship between these three? Because these all mean, median and mode, these all three are the measures of central tendency. So they are interrelated, right? And there is a formula for this: mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, right? Now take the example marks and frequency. This is given. Now here this is also given, median is suppose this one, mean is this much. Now what is mode? You are calculating mode here. So what is mode here? 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median, this is 51.12, you will write down here, minus 2 mean. What is mean? 51.25. This is given, this I have not calculated. Suppose mean and median is given and you want to calculate mode in a simplest way, then this is the formula if median and mean is given. Now mode is 3 into median minus 2 into mean, that is mean. Now this is the simple calculation, and the answer mode here it is of this data, mode is 50.86, and this is also you can verify, this is the highest frequency, this is the modal class. So this means it is between 40 to 60, and here it is 50.86. Now value obtained by usual method, if you calculate mean and median from this data, you will get this answer, and if you calculate mode by the same formula what I gave you, you will get the answer, that is 50.53. And here through this formula, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, we are getting answer equal to 50.86. There is only little variation, this is 50.86, this is 50.53, which is very close. So if you calculate it simply by this method, this formula, little variation may be there, but here in both case it is 50. So there is not much difference, it is, they are very close to each other. So if you do not want to do the long calculation, simple way, two values are given, then through mean and median you can calculate mode. What does this show? This shows that there is a relationship between mean, median and mode, because mean and median is given and you are able to get the mode or correct answer of mode with the help of mean and median. So it is clear to you. I think by now you are comfortable with the explanation of mean, median and mode.